Listen up, man. You guys are crazy, okay? For watching all these videos of this guy. He's just like, I'm still bewildered after 17 years. I'm up there with some machete chopping a coconut, and people are just stoked out of their minds, dude. I'm on my way to the beach right now to film another video, because what I realize is that everybody loves the backdrops, and I'm like, dude, I'll do it. I'll just do it for fun. I'll just walk out for 2 hours to these mysterious waterfalls, and I'll stand there and make a video. Maybe I'll bring the microphone and I'll just make random crazy videos where you can see all the beautiful stuff. I'm going to the beach right now. I got the farmer's market haul. You know, I made some videos this morning. I finally posted one on YouTube, so go check that out if you haven't seen it already. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just gonna try to be creative, but I don't take any of this seriously. I don't believe in all these religious beliefs about food or religions or politics or any of it. I just see a unified field of infinitely complex creation. And ultimately, it seems like it's just the substratum is love and peace. And now there's a lot of ripples and crazy waves and muddy water on top of the still perfect, silent ocean of peace and love. But if we were to sit still for more than 2 seconds and stop scrolling and go sit at the beach and be quiet, then that substratum of love and peace will just arise in your experience spontaneously. Don't try to take credit for it. It's God's grace manifesting in your heart, manifesting in your mind, manifesting in your body, and manifesting in your soul. But it's already there. So just what we're trying to do is try to understand a way to get out of the way of that perfect essence that already exists and permeates, surrounds, fills, animates, completes everything that is. And so it's a unified field. And so then you're just like, God bless everyone, you know. I don't care what your beliefs are. I hope the best for you, you know, whatever that is, whatever your diet is, whatever your religion is, whatever your beliefs about relationships are, or any of that stuff. God bless you. May you be filled to overflowing. And may you just be happy and peaceful and wear the world like a light garment and get rid of all the anxiety and the fear. You better do what I say, because I'm Dan McDonald, the Life Regenerator, and I am somebody. No, I'm just kidding. I'm actually a nobody. There's nothing worse than being a nobody except being a somebody. Peace be with you.